If you need both welding power and electricity on the go, a portable welder generator is your solution. In this video, we review 5 of the top performing welder generators available on Amazon today. Let's begin with the Lincoln Electric Ranger 330 Ings PX, one of the most powerful and versatile engine-driven welder generators on the market. This machine delivers a massive 330 amps of welding power and up to 11,000 watts of generator capacity. It supports multiple welding processes including stick, MIG, TIG, and flux core, making it ideal for a variety of job sites. Powered by a dependable Kohler engine, the Ranger 330 MPX is known for its quiet operation and fuel efficiency. Its compact footprint and lightweight design also make it easier to mount on trucks and trailers. Professionals in construction, mobile welding, and heavy repair work trust this machine for its ruggedness and performance. It's not just a welder, it's a mobile power solution with the strength and stability to keep your operation running in a tough environment. Next up is the Lincoln Electric Ranger 225, a slightly more compact and budget-friendly sibling to the 330 MPX. This model offers 225 amps of welding power and 9,000 watts of continuous generator output, which is more than sufficient for most mid-sized jobs. Like its larger counterpart, it supports multiple welding methods and is powered by a Kohler engine for long-lasting reliability. It's built with a sturdy steel frame and weather-resistant panels, ensuring it can handle rough job site conditions. The Ranger 225 is ideal for users who need flexibility and durability without the higher price tag. It's especially popular among independent welders, contractors, and farmers who need dependable performance without compromise. Third on our list is the Hobart Champion 145. A welder generator that stands out for its simplicity, portability, and value. It offers 145 amps of DC welding output and a robust 4,000-watt continuous generator capacity, with a peak output of 4,500 watts. This machine is a stick-only welder, which makes it less versatile for certain tasks, but it excels in its primary function, providing reliable welding and auxiliary power in remote locations. The Champion 145 is favored by ranchers, field repair techs, and hobbyists for its easy startup, smooth arc, and long run time. Its compact design fits easily in a truck bed, and with just 222 pounds of dry weight, it's manageable for one person to move with basic equipment. For those seeking a lightweight, budget-friendly entry into the world of engine-driven welders, the Tomahawk 15-horsepower stick welder generator is a worthy contender. This unit produces up to 210 amps for stick welding and includes a built-in 2,000-watt generator. While its power output is lower than others on this list, it makes up for that in portability and price. It's especially useful for smaller repairs, farm maintenance, and occasional field use where heavy-duty performance isn't necessary. The 15-horsepower engine ensures consistent performance, and the inverter technology provides stable power for sensitive electronics. For occasional users who need mobility and functionality at a fraction of the cost, this machine delivers. Rounding out our list is the ESAB Ruffian ES 150G, a mid-tier professional-grade welder generator that balances portability with performance. It delivers 150 amps of welding power and up to 4,500 watts of auxiliary power. Designed for stick welding, it's a reliable option for contractors and tradespeople who need a dependable unit for medium-duty fieldwork. The Ruffian's compact design and reinforced frame make it durable and easy to transport. It features advanced arc starting technology, fuel efficiency, and simple controls that allow users to get started quickly. Though it lacks the multi-process capabilities of the Lincoln Ranger models, it makes up for it with ESAB's reputation for solid industrial tools and support. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more honest reviews, tool comparisons, and buying guides that help you work smarter, not harder.